In this video I'm going to carry out the same Blender test on my Apple PowerMac G5 machine. The system has the following specifications. It's fitted with two 1.8 GHz PowerPC G5 chips, and the system has 3 GB of DDR SD RAM installed. Now I'm going to open up Blender. I'm going to load the test scene. Test.blend. Okay, because this machine has two CPUs, I'm now going to set it up to run with 2 threads. So there you go, it's set to run with 2 threads. And I'm going to start the rendering process. And as you can see, this machine renders with incredible speed. So this time I won't need to cut the video. You can watch it render in real time. Almost done. Okay, this frame just rendered in 1 minute, 9 seconds and 33 split seconds. So as you can see, this machine has rather remarkable performance. Thanks for watching.